This is ERi-TV, dear viewers, coming to you live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. I'm Bersabet Takhla, starting with the top stories for today. Prayer service in connection with Martyrs Day. Monetary support extended to families of martyrs. African countries suspends 2 French news agencies. And dozens of Bali flights cancelled as Indonesia volcano erupts. And your local reports. Prayer services and sermons in commemoration of Martyrs Day were held at St. Michael Church and Al-Khulafa Al-Rashidin Grand Mosque in the capital city, Asmara. In the morning hours, a prayer service was conducted, led by His Reverence Abuna Basilios, 5th Patriarch of the Orthodox Tawahedo Church of Eritrea, along with heads of various dioceses and other church leaders. Religious leaders from the Catholic and Lutheran churches also participated in the service. During the event, Abuna Basilios delivered a speech emphasizing the profound significance of the day and the solemn responsibilities it entails for every citizen. Margeta Mulugeta Sumon from the office of the Patriarch, indicating that the martyrs paid their precious lives for their people and their country, urged the citizens to renew their pledge to live up to their expectations. Similarly, in the afternoon hours, Salat and Dua services were conducted at the Al-Khulafa Al-Rashidin Grand Mosque, led by Sheikh Salim Ibrahim Al-Mukhtar, Mufti of Eritrea. Sheikh Salim Ibrahim said that the martyrs are our heroes who sacrificed their lives for independence, national sovereignty, and for us to live in peace and harmony. He also called for reinforced contribution and support of the families of martyrs. In other news, the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare reported that the government of Eritrea has disbursed about 6 billion nafa in support of the families of martyrs. Mr. ERi-TV, Director of Martyrs Families Welfare, noted that the government began providing monetary support to martyrs' families in 1995. At that time, each family received 10,000 birr each to ease the burdens they might face in their lives. After the government issued Proclamation number 137/2003, every family began receiving 500 nafa monthly starting in 2004. Mr. Zerai also stated that a rehabilitation program for martyrs' families has been introduced, and many families have been supported with livestock and small-scale businesses. Vocational training programs have also been organized to enhance the skills of these families in various fields. Regarding contributions by nationals at home and abroad, Mr. Zerai said that Eritreans residing overseas have initiated that one citizen to contribute $720 annually, with some extending permanent support. Nationals within the country are also contributing individually and collectively, including government workers and students who have joined the initiative. And a similar news, photo exhibition, monetary support programs, and cultural activities in remembrance of Martyrs Day have been conducted in Asmara. A photo exhibition displayed by artist Gide Gebre Mikael depicting the atrocities committed by the Haile Selassie regime of Ethiopia against innocent Eritreans between 1967 and 1974 was officially opened yesterday by Mr. Fisahaye Haile, Governor of the Central Region, and Mr. Yusuf Sail, Head of Organizational Affairs at the PFDJ. Additionally, 160,000 nafa contributed by workers of the Central Region Administration was distributed to 80 families of martyrs. Highlighting the all-rounded sacrifices made by the Eritrean people, Mr. Fisahaye Haile emphasized that supporting martyrs' families is a responsibility of every citizen. Martyrs' Day commemoration events were also held by members of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and residents of Denden Camp. At the Ministry of Foreign Affairs event, Minister Usman Saleh underlined that Martyrs Day, 20 June, is commemorated with pride by the Eritrean people and called for the transfer of noble values to future generations. Similarly, residents of Denden Camp commemorated Martyrs Day with various programs honoring the occasion. Still in honor of our martyrs, various programs in connection with Martyrs Day 20 June have been conducted in Asmara from 16 to 18 June. The National Confederation of Eritrean Workers conducted a popular campaign at Asmara Martyrs Cemetery, along with cultural programs and support initiatives for martyrs' families. The campaign at the Martyrs Cemetery was attended by 160 workers from the Central Office and affiliated workers' confederations. At the cultural program organized at the Confederation Central Office, Mr. Tesfai Girmay, head of administration and finance, stated that over 80 members of the Central Office have been supporting 8 families of martyrs since 2024. In related news, the Cooperative Association of Members of the 52nd Division organized a program in connection with Martyrs Day at the Meshalit Historical Site on 17 June. The event was attended by members of the association and youth workers organizations. At the event, veteran fighters provided briefings on the heroic feats demonstrated by then the 52nd Division of the EPLF in its 1988 battle against enemy forces at the Meshalit Front. Meshalit Front is located 30 kilometers north of Karan. The Cooperative Association of the 7016 Division also conducted a popular campaign at the Barantu Martyrs Cemetery, which included tree planting and environmental sanitation activities. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The West Africa country Togo has suspended French state-funded broadcasters France 24 and Radio France International for 3 months, accusing them of repeatedly violating journalistic standards, including impartiality, rigor, and verification of facts. The West African country's High Authority for Audiovisual and Communication announced the decision on Monday, stating that content aired by the 2 outlets had the potential to disrupt public order and threaten the stability of Togo's institutions. The broadcasters said their management stands ready to engage in dialogue with the Togolese authorities to solve any misunderstandings. And today's final report, officials said yesterday that several flights to the Indonesian resort island of Bali were cancelled or delayed due to the eruption of Mount Lewotobi Laki-Laki. According to a press release, at least 17 flights, 12 international and 5 domestic, were cancelled, with a total of 32 flights affected by the eruption. International flights from India, Singapore and Australia were among those affected. Mount Lewotobi Laki-Laki erupted on Tuesday, June 17, spewing ash 11 kilometers high, forcing the country's volcanology agency to raise the alert level to the highest. It erupted again yesterday morning, belching a 1-kilometer high ash cloud. The eruption has also forced the local authorities to evacuate dozens of residents living in 2 villages near the volcano. Now, a quick reminder of the top stories. Prayer service in connection with Martyrs Day. Monetary support extended to families of martyrs. African country suspends 2 French news agencies. And dozens of Bali flights cancelled as Indonesia volcano erupts. Dear viewers, that was it for today. May the souls of our martyrs rest in peace.